Hello everyone, myself Sumit Sharma. I am teaching in Venkateshwara Global School. Venkateshwara Global School is located in Rohini Sector 13. I have been teaching in this school since 5 years and this is a K-12 school. I have done my graduation in computer science and post-graduation is also in computer science and engineering. 5 years back, Avishkaar has set up its lab in our school, that is Venkateshwara Global School. This lab is helping all the students in the school to grow and innovate. It is very important to have innovation and robotics lab in school since these labs give a platform to students to convert their imagination into reality. There are a lot of noticeable changes in students after using robotics lab. I would like to mention few of them. Students becomes problem solver and innovator. They build up their confidence to perform all the day-to-day practical tasks in school and at home also. It is a must for every school to have these kinds of lab setups as they give hands-on learning to students and students can learn mathematical, science and physics concepts and they can perform very well in their academics.
Hi, my name is Aishri Gupta and I'm a student from Venkateshwara Global School, currently studying in grade 9. I am very thankful to our school for providing us with the Atal Tinkering Lab. I am also very thankful to Avishkaar for being a part of it and providing us with all the facilities. I have been learning robotics from the last 4 years. Without a doubt, my experience with the kit has been outstanding. It has helped me to understand the scientific and mathematical concepts in a better way.
Hi, I am Pratyaksh Kwatra from grade 10 Venkateshwara Global School. I have been working with Avishkaar kits from the past 4 years. With the introduction of the Atal Tinkering Labs and the Avishkaar League, it has been a wonderful experience, especially because we got the opportunity to travel to Russia with the Avishkaar team. It has been a great experience.
Hi, I'm Kanav Arora. I'm currently studying in grade 10 in Venkateshwara Global School. Robotics period is one of the best among all because we get to learn about many new physics concepts. Avishkaar series has been a part in our robotics period since a long time. It has been a base of many of our projects. We have also built and trained during our Avishkaar League, and which has helped us to win an international trip to Russia for the international level.
So, I would strongly recommend that every school should have Avishkaar labs to give their students hands-on learning. My journey with Avishkaar has been great. It has been 8 years that I am associated with Avishkaar. I am using Avishkaar kits to teach my students robotics. Avishkaar does not only give robotic kits and material but also gives a platform where students can showcase their skills. So, as a teacher and as a school member, I am very happy with the services being provided by the Avishkaar. Thank you.